Welcome to another Microbit project. Today we'll see how to code a microbit so that it acts like a temperature sensor. Let's code. First, we'll create a new variable. Let's call it item. Drag and place the setItem2 block into the forever block. Let's now set the value of item to temperature. Let's tell the microbit to display the temperature. For that, we'll use showNumber block. Take the temperature block and place it in the showNumber block. The code is now complete. Give your file a name and download it to your microbit.